There are places that look completely safe. Quiet air, nothing unusual on the surface. And yet, in some locations, people and animals have died within minutes of getting too close. No struggle, no visible cause, just collapse. We usually associate danger with movement, waves, storms, strong currents, but these lakes are different. They are calm, almost perfectly still, and that is part of the problem. In 1986, in Cameroon, something unusual happened near Lake Nyos. People in nearby villages went to sleep normally. By morning, many never woke up. More than 1,700 people died, along with thousands of animals. There were no signs of violence, no injuries, no warning. Even those who tried to escape often collapsed before they could get far. At first, no one understood what had happened. There was no fire, no poison found in the water, no visible explanation. The cause was something invisible. Beneath the lake, carbon dioxide had been building up for years, slowly, silently. The gas dissolved into the deep water, held in place by pressure. Layer by layer, it accumulated, hidden beneath a surface that appeared completely normal, until something triggered a sudden release. When it happened, a massive cloud of carbon dioxide rose from the lake. It spread outward, close to the ground, colorless, odorless, impossible to detect without instruments. People nearby didn't see it. They didn't hear it. They simply breathed it in. And within minutes, oxygen was displaced. The body doesn't register carbon dioxide as dangerous in the same way. There is no immediate warning signal, just loss of consciousness. There's another detail that makes events like this even more dangerous. They don't always happen at night. They don't always affect large areas. And they don't always leave clear evidence behind. In some cases, survivors reported feeling nothing unusual at all. No smell, no change in the air, no sense of danger. They simply felt weak, disoriented, and then suddenly unable to move. Because carbon dioxide does not trigger the same alarm response in the body as other gases. There is no instinctive reaction to escape, no immediate sense that something is wrong. By the time symptoms appear, it is often too late to react. And because the gas settles in low areas, it can linger longer than expected, remaining in valleys, in enclosed spaces, even in areas that appear completely open. This means that even after the initial release, the danger can remain, invisible, unnoticed, waiting. In the case of Lake Nyos, entire areas were affected within minutes. Villages that had shown no signs of danger suddenly fell silent. And what made the event even more confusing at the time was how selective it appeared. Higher ground was sometimes untouched, while lower areas were completely affected. This created a pattern that was difficult to understand until the behavior of the gas became clear. This type of event is known as a limnic eruption. It's rare, but when it happens, it is sudden and overwhelming. There is no gradual warning, no visible buildup, no clear sign that anything is wrong. Today, scientists monitor lakes like Lake Nyos carefully. systems have been installed to release gas slowly, reducing pressure over time. But not every lake is monitored, and not every system is fully understood, which means that in some places, the calmest environments may carry the greatest hidden risk. We often think danger is something we can see, something that announces itself, something we can react to. But in these cases, the danger is already there, invisible, silent. And by the time anyone realizes it, it's already too late.